Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. আজিকালি সবে makeup কৰি ভাল পায়, right? But we don't know the basics of it. So today I'm gonna show you a simple makeup tutorial for the beginners. ময়ো ইমান ভালকে নাজানো. I'm still a learner. So যিখিনি জানো সেইখিনিকে আপোনালোকক দেখাব বিচাৰিছো. I hope you will love it. So আহক ভিডিঅ'টো চাই লওঁ. First of all, moisturize your skin with a moisturizer before applying any makeup. Now apply a primer. I am using a Mars primer. Primer is used to create a smooth surface on your face before adding makeup and reduces the appearance of pores, fine lines and other blemishes and helps to even out your skin tone. Now, put Vaseline on your lips to make your lips soft before applying any lipstick. After that, apply any foundation of your shade. Okay, now this is very important to choose the correct shade that matches with your skin color. I am using the Lakme foundation which is in the shade number 21. Now apply it on your face by making some spots on it. Now blend it with a beauty blender. Okay, now I am applying the BB cream as a concealer. BB cream also gives the same effect as the concealer. I am just putting it on my eye areas. If you have a concealer, then you can apply that, but if you don't, then you can do this method. Now again blend it with a beauty blender. Next, we are going to make our eyebrows. First, brush your eyebrows to have a shape. Now, apply an eyebrow pencil. I don't like my eyebrows to make darker, so instead of that, I am just filling up the gaps that I have on my eyebrows. This is very important to set your foundation, so I am using a compact powder to set my foundation. If you don't apply it, then it could be very greasy to look. You may also use a loose powder to set. For eye makeup, I am using Swiss Beauty HD Professional Eyeshadow Palette. Here I choose a light shimmery pink shade. Now apply it on your eyes. Then I choose a light brown shade. Apply it on the outer corner of your eyes. I already mentioned that this is a makeup look for the beginners, so I am not doing so much eye makeup, just keeping it very simple. Okay, now brush it so that no harsh line is formed between the two colors. Next, I am using LA Tint eyeliner. I love this liner because it dries up very quickly and you don't have to wait for hours. For the under eyes, we will be taking a thin brush and will again take the light brown shade and gently apply it. This makes a vast difference on your eyes as it makes your eyes more beautiful to look. Next, I will be using an eyelash curler to make my lashes curl. For mascara, I am using a magnetized dramatic voluming mascara. Apply it on your upper lashes and also on your lower lashes. For contouring, I am using a brown shade. One thing you have to keep in mind that while contouring, you have to go on the upward direction so that it looks that your cheeks are lifted. Don't go on the downward direction. Also contour your jawline to make a sharp jawline. For highlighting, I am using a light pink shade. Highlight the features that you want to show with. I am applying on my cheeks, nose, upper lip line and chin. Also apply it on the corners of your eyes. Lastly, I am using Huda Beauty Light Brown Shade Lipstick. Apply it nicely on your lips. So here's the look. Okay, so this is the look I have created. So যদি ভিডিওটো চাই ভাল পালে তেন্তে লাইক কমেন্ট শেয়ার and subscribe কৰি দিব. Also don't forget to press the bell icon if you want to get notified.